Hi, I'm Marie Liberati from the award-winning book series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking, and I'm going to be doing a macaroni and cheese recipe with tricolor rotini pasta. Take 2 cups of whole milk. We're going to make this sort of like a bechamel sauce. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to wire whisk in, as soon as the butter melts, 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm placing in 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm doing it with a wire whisk so that we don't get lumps and bumps in the sauce. And once we have that all blended, I'm going to add in a cup of cheddar cheese, and a half a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. And you do have to consistently stir this with a wire whisk until the sauce thickens, approximately 10 minutes. Do not let the sauce burn. I've buttered a glass casserole pan, and now I'm going to put in approximately a half a cup of freshly made breadcrumbs. I made this from crusty bread that I put in the food processor, just on the bottom. Then I'm going to put my pasta into the macaroni and cheese sauce. Just gonna whirl it around and coat the pasta with the macaroni and cheese sauce. Now we're going to pour the macaroni, coat it with the macaroni and cheese sauce, into the breadcrumbs, into the casserole pan with the breadcrumbs. Just distribute that evenly. Get out all that cheesy sauce. Okay. And we're going to top this with about 3 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese. Put this in the oven, in a preheated oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for approximately 15 minutes, or until it's golden bubbly on the top and the cheese is all bubbly. And the last 5 minutes of those 15, you can put it under a broil, but just watch it so that it doesn't burn. And you have a dish ready to eat and plate. I'm Marie Liberati from The Basic Art of Italian Cooking. Thanks for watching.